So I'm looking at a very old book today, John Thompson's Easiest Piano series. I'm looking at, towards the end of the first book, a tune that sometimes is called Carry Me Back to Old Virginny, and in newer versions of the book is called Carry Me Back Home. The reason I'm looking at this is because it's got a tricky rhythm. So normally we play, if it's in 4 beats in a bar, we play like it's going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this piece, it's syncopated. It means you moved where the beat is. So it's still going 1, 2, 3, 4. But now the sound goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sound is in a different place. And it makes it quite tricky to play when you're first learning an instrument, because you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. But it says it's 1 beat and then 2 beats. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Hold it for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So having the long note in the middle of the bar feels a bit trickier. The next piece in the book has the same rhythm, and a lot of it, so it's going 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 4 beats and 4 more. See that line joining the 2 E's? That's called a tie. So you've got one note and you've tied it together with another note, and it makes a longer note. It doesn't make 2 notes. So you get a stick and you get another stick and you join them together and you get a long stick to poke people with. So the tie makes something longer. In this case, 2 4-beat notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it ends with a tie as well, and you have to really count it, and you can't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because there are not 8 beats in the bar, there's only 4. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to be 2 whole beats, 2 whole bars. I'm sorry. So when you're practicing pieces with a bit of syncopation, expect the rhythm to feel funny and a bit tricky at first. One rhythm that sometimes helps is skateboarding now, because the board, you would say skateboard, the board is just that little bit longer. So skateboarding now. It doesn't work very well with this because the word now is little at the end and it needs to be a long note. But it kind of gets you used to how the syncopation feels. As long as you remember that you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, then you'll be fine.